Welcome to a special teacher edition of Tap That. If you're struggling to put your class online, maybe this will help you. The iPivo app is available for both Droid and iOS. This app is meant to be used with a document camera, but can be used without it. This should be helpful to math and other teachers who use whiteboards to help with instruction. After downloading the app and opening it up, you should see a blank screen with a toolbar at the top and a couple of buttons at the bottom. Everyone teaches a little different, so let me show you some basic tools to get you started. At the bottom, these tools allow you to take screenshots or record what you are doing. It will record your audio through a built-in microphone, or you can plug in a pair of earbuds to get better sounding recordings. The arrows at the bottom allow you to have multiple screens of information prepared so you can go back and forth between screens. Tapping on the photo image allows you to import photos to use. Moving up to the top right, there's a trash can. Tap on this to clear the screen. Moving left, there's a toolbar. Tapping on it, you can see a ruler, a protractor, a pointer tool, which I'm using right now, and a way to spotlight a section of the screen. Tapping on the arrow will give you a selection of shape tools and a text tool. The next tool is an eraser. It will let you erase stray marks. The next two tools are for drawing. I use one to write on the board and the other to highlight information. I cannot figure out the hand tool, so I'm going to skip that one. In the left corner, there's a place to switch between the document camera, the whiteboard, or iPad camera. If you're recording, it will be saved to your camera roll. You will need to upload this to YouTube or Google Drive so your students can view it. That's it for now. Remember to subscribe to the Tap That channel, and hopefully I'll have some more teacher tips up there soon.